we have one more very exciting announcement. A V3 engine.
We all probably remember when Honda surprised the world at EICMA by unveiling a prototype V3 engine. This configuration is something you rarely see in modern sport bikes. Most manufacturers stick to inline or V4 engines for reasons like efficiency, weight distribution, and power delivery. But Honda decided to do something different, creating a V3 engine with 2 cylinders facing forward and 1 facing backward. This setup was claimed to deliver strong torque in the low to mid-range while still being ferocious at high revs. Since then, people have been wondering what kind of bike would eventually carry this engine. In the middle of that curiosity, a digital concept recently went viral, showing off an aggressively styled sport bike carrying the rather long name Honda VTR850RR Firestorm V3 E-Supercharged. To be clear, this is a fan-made render by Esera, probably because they've grown tired of waiting for Honda's official announcement. Even so, the design is incredibly detailed and realistic, to the point where it's fooled quite a few motorcycle enthusiasts. From the image-making rounds online, this bike looks bold and muscular. Wrapped in a full fairing with sharp aerodynamic lines, it features the iconic HRC color scheme, a mix of red, blue, and white. Up front, you get those sleek, aggressive dual LED headlights neatly integrated into the fairing. The front suspension uses a beefy inverted fork paired with dual disc brakes. On the side, large fairings partially cover the engine, with a clear E-Supercharged badge hinting at some serious performance under the bodywork. A single-sided exhaust on the right adds a modern, sporty touch to the overall look. This concept has been getting plenty of love from sport bike fans, with many hoping Honda will actually consider bringing it to life. Quite a few people believe that if Honda were to release a V3-powered sport bike with a design like this, it would be a game changer in the global market, a market still dominated by inline 4s and V4s. Even though there's been no official word from Honda about the future of their V3 project, concepts like this prove that fans' excitement and expectations for Honda's next big move are still sky high. And let's be honest, as many people have said in the comments, this thing looks a little too good to be true. So what do you guys think? If Honda actually built this bike, would you be willing to wait and make it your next dream ride? Drop your thoughts in the comments.